Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachooks and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we sell our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we enter Arsenal Football Club. Arsenal don't show interest, say then they interested in signing Luka Jovic of Real Madrid. You know, so this Luka Jovic, the guy, he just the surplus requirements for Real Madrid. So now Karim Benzema and they bench this guy. Well, Real Madrid buy this guy from Frankfurt. The guy they bust net like mad, but all of a sudden as don't go there now the senior man they play very well. So him now maybe all those guys Copa the rain and they go they use the guy not really they enjoy his stay, so Baba don dey day uncomfortable, so he won't find square root. So Arsenal don dey scamp and say okay, if we sign this guy or we'll sign Noah Lang, any of the two, because we look at our options, because this one be say Lacazette don dey prone to moving for January, so we never know how January go sup. If Lacazette move, then we look at our options. No, if we just leave only Aubameyang there, it no go make sense. So the reason now to bring Noah Lang or Luka Jovic, or if any other person self can dey available by that January, if we still sign this guy. Don't forget say we still get money from that 250 million pounds so then give us some money. Change still remain, so we get money to spend for January. And now we say we don dey collect ticket sales, money don dey no issue again. So we fit sign whoever we wan sign, and this one go be massive progress. This one be say we don dey build our team the way we say we like. Ateta don dey very close to the first 11 wey dey pray for. So hopefully by January we'll do some changes wey go make sense. Arsenal technical director wey dey call Edu Gaspar don confirm say at the end of the summer they wan sell people like Ben Leno. Not just Ben Leno, they get like 3 people they wan sell, but they no mention the names. Na only Leno name na come outside. Say they wan sell Leno because the guy in performances no dey wetin we dey like again, and Boku no lie, Leno don flop, Leno don shy. In good before, like everybody dey talk. In good before. I don't forget wetin Leno do for that before. Leno go in good before, quite alright. You know they argue that one. But if you be like person wey get money before, now you no get money again. You can't talk say him be one of the richest. No, now they need to do something like that. If this one na football and things they change every second, every minute. Imagine from Man City now with how Sterling take good reach. He no dey for first 11 again. So imagine that kind of thing. Guardiola fit dey see wetin we no dey see. If Sterling come for England, he go come be Lion of Judah, come strong, kakaraka, come dey play very well. But if you go back to Man City, get people wey don take him place, senior men wey don pass am. Grealish now dey for first 11, so I wan take do that one. Even Foden gone, in first 11 no sure for am. So na so e just be. As a coach, if player no play well, he find him square root, that mean good, because if they wan sack person, na him dey go sack. So you got to protect your own self and pursue the players. So na normal level be that. Lucas Torreira don come outside dey complain say Arsenal don cost am in place for Uruguay squad. Na because of Arsenal, say the way we see dem no play am upon high good reach, dem no play am, dem come send am out go on loan Atletico Madrid, now Florentina. Last Baba never still get in place back. So like wetin Baba Sato talk yesterday wey we dey live. So Baba Sato talk say him blame Arsenal partly because Arsenal I know use this guy well. I won't say Arsenal, we're talking about Mikel Arteta. Say Mikel Arteta and this guy, that relationship just be like this, so it no really work well. That's why he no use the guy. If you say use the guy, she mean now Emery use him now. If say use the guy now help the guy small, but I still no use him. That's why the guy form come deep. Even when he go Atletico Madrid, conduct yourself, come the bench him again. Now when he go Florentina, I no come know whether in the play because I never see him play 90 minutes there. And I just cameo appearances, come from Benjamin and play or start and get removed. So well, this is why you say they castigate Arsenal. No yawa, we wish you all the best of luck. Shall no come back here. Granit Xhaka don't get promotion as they don't promote Baba to vice captain. So after Aubameyang, it will be Granit Xhaka. So they're very happy. So just hope say this new position they don't give am now go make and they think rationally, go make and they make good decisions. You get making only lunge anyhow, they collect red card anyhow. You are not the only defensive midfielder we will get. We still get Partey, and I never remember the last time we Partey collect red card. Now we don't get Albert Sambi Lokonga. Baba see they play, they do all those mistimed tackles. Why you want to make a tackle? Make it correct one. Don't be say we just use your 2 leg, just lunge. Go collect red card, come they suffer the boys. I beg. I hope say this promotion now go let them get school head. Surprise, Mark Clattenburg will be EPL referee, don't retire at 41. So a lot of people don't thank him for his service to England and his service to EPL. Say they really like the man and they go really miss him. Well, Probably I say the guy retired too early. Only God know wetin dey sup. Maybe in the battle with one illness or something, because 41 is too early for me for a referee to be hanging his boots. Well, wish am all the best, sha. I think go rest, spend time with him family. As Winger don come outside for media setting, come dey talk about VAR. So back on the talk say this VAR, say VAR don change a lot of things for football for the better. Say all those kind professional fouls wey dey happen before, wey be say some kind defenders dey go dey attack technically gifted players. They go give them one kind elbow wey nobody go see. They go give them one kind thing, do them some kind strong thing wey nobody go see. But since the implementation of VAR, since the innovation of VAR don come, so all those things dey happen again. Everybody don dey very careful, because say anything wey you do, dem fit still rewind am 1 million times to see wetin sup there and give you your card. Even if the referee no see am for the match, dem fit still check am later, still give you your card later. So na so e just be. So that's why I dey very happy and hope say more improvements go come for this VAR, and football go be a safe place where everybody go fit play, both offensive and defensive players. At the same time, for media settings, so they come dey ask Mikel Arteta say wetin dey sup with Saka now. Say e be like say the guy dey struggle for this season. Dey play like last season. Whether na wetin sup for England, na still dey affect him psychic and him mentality. So Baba come dey talk say make I no forget say this guy na still small he's still like 20 years old. Forget say last season, because he dey carry the weight of the club on his shoulders, he come be like say na him be our messiah. Na still small make I no forget. Say another thing wey I gats to know be say struggling na part of football, na part of footballing development. So as in the struggle now, they suffer, you go propel am to grow, give am that intensity to train more for training. So abeg, make I just free the guy, he still dey grow, make I no put more pressure on him. Abeg, make I free am. Surprise, Juventus don see Arsenal as their shopping mall, as they reason say by January they wan come carry Granit Xhaka and they wan give us McKennie. You get say we wan do swap, because you know say since when McKennie come for Juve, na Pello bring the guy. Pello use the guy well. The guy play like 46 appearances now, score plenty goals now. But since when Max Allegri don enter, he no really dey give the guy playing time. So the guy said the reason say he wan find his square root. So Babako on the reason say this Xhaka now wey be say Roma wan buy before, the guy good like mad. Mourinho say he want the guy, but they no come finalize the move. So now Allegri the reason say okay, they go need to collect Xhaka, but they no too get money. So instead they go propose a swap deal to Arsenal. Well, we never know whether Arsenal go accept. I just will let una know from the side of Juventus. If Arsenal don't reply, I go let una know. Today Arsenal go host AFC Wimbledon for League Cup, and now the third round then dey. So I would expect Mikel Arteta to do a lot of changes, like up to 10 changes, change many people. So they expect people like Lacazette, who never played for a very long time, to come in. People like Martinelli, make them come play. Lokonga will start for the middle of the park. We expect Smith Rowe to still play some kind play for this game. So this one on a good day, na shit pack and then I'm supposed to whitewash them, knock them like we knock West Brom, keep them like 6-0 or 5-0. And wetin dey sweet my belle be say like 45,000 plus people don buy tickets to watch this match for Emirates, because they wan dey at the back of the boys to support them. But this one a nice one. Just hope say we no get disappointed at the end of the day, because I know say tonight, I think Nigerian time, the match na 7:45. Me I go dey live. They'll give me a live update. Me and my crew, let una know how things dey sup minute by minute till the match end. So we dey live like 30 minutes before the game, giving an analysis, some kind things to go happen for the match. Then once the match don start, we go still dey on, let una know how everything dey sup. So that's what it just be for today news. So my dear football lovers, now you come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow I'll come again, come giving a fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our post, share our videos, follow us, and support us. I see that bell notification icon we leave there. Toggle am so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop them. Thank you for always supporting us, and God bless you.